if I were performing what we just did, it would be like this, where I would sweep up over the top and I would be here like this. So they would do some sort of back bend. They might do a back bend with a kick. That's a nice one. You could do my favorite, which is the behind the back version with a kick. So I have many photos of me around San Francisco in that particular pose. I am not as young as I used to be when I did this, so I'm feeling it in my back right now. But this particular movement from here to behind your back involves this business here, where I'm doing this inside plane work before getting it back there. I've spent a long time practicing this, and I have many photos. My experience is the best way to do it is to have that open angle toward the audience. So if you're going to do it on the right, if you plant on your right leg, they're going to be seeing your backside, not your front side. So it's better to plant on your left leg and lift. So figure out which one is your better, stronger planting leg. Then pick the side relative to that. You want whichever leg is your stronger leg to be the one that's on the audience side. And then the other one is going to kick. Whatever. And remember to point your toe so that you don't look like a dog freaking squatting at a hydrant peeing. Okay? No joke. I am not kidding. Way to ruin your lines. And even if you're just doing it here with the back bend and the kick, like even if it's just like leg up, it's still better if you're open this way to the audience, in my opinion. It's an aesthetic choice. You may prefer some other aesthetic.